So guys, I'm going to show you the puppyplayground.com. They do ship for you. It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Seen them in Orlando for years.
For the dog parks, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So many people in the research stage, you know what I mean, or construction either way, you know, all that. If you get a chance, go kick the tires, so we'll full-size stuff.
Hey, Gary.
What you doing on there?
She's just hanging out, waiting for someone that wants to groom the other half of her. she's waiting in bait. That's what she's doing.
Boy, if you can't find somebody around here.
We're baiting people, so we'll see how this baiting goes. So far, no one. We'll see. So do you have a price list that I can give all my viewers out there, and then we're going to walk through there and let her take a look-see? I know there's yeah, it's perfect. And you sell like a whole kit, don't you?
I do kits, I do individual stuff, and I do kit.
Where's the kit?
Package kit.
Starter kits. That's what I remember. Okay.
Here's a starter kit laid out.
Okay. That's nice. 1850. And then is that the mini?
You know, the mini is the exact same configuration.
Okay.
Only where'd they go? Only they're shorter.
They're shorter. Okay, so the same configuration,
Yep.
just
Same
shorter.
Components, same configuration.
Okay.
You know, the
Awesome.
full-size components are 22 inches tall. The minis are 12 inches tall.
BellSouth.net.
It's been a while, huh?
Been a while. That's a good thing. You're not changed. Can we go in the fence? Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, we got a ring here. Oh no, she's no way she's going up there. She good?
Huh?
Is she good? The other dogs?
As long as she doesn't, as long as he doesn't
As long as what?
as long as she doesn't she's kind of scared.
Come here.
You need to use this bag.
I do. Come here, Jet.
Bottle up.
Come on. Come on.
Right here.
Come on. She's like, yeah.
There you go. You come up here?
You like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Achoo. Achoo. You gonna run down the other side?
There you go. Come here this way. Nope. Come on. How am I gonna get down?
Hey. Over here. Come on. She's like, yeah. Come on.
Okay, see you later.
Do you like it?
Look over here.
It's like, yeah, I'm gonna jump. Hey.
Come on.
Hey.
Come on.
I don't know if she can see blue. She can see the purple. She can see the yellow. Come here. Come on. I don't know that she can see blue. She's acting like there's nothing there on the blue. Go this way. Hey. 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 Yeah, smell. Smell. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Down here. Come on. She's like, yeah. I got up there. I think she wants the other half of her groomed. We gotta find some challenger. Come on.
One more.
There you go. She's like, yeah, ain't going nowhere. She's done. Are you done?
Are you done?
Yeah, I just need to flip that. Okay.
One of these?
Another one of what? Yeah, we'll take one. I'll definitely take one. So that's nice stuff. Easy to clean. Oh, we forgot our price list in there. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now that's for, all the competitors to let their dogs run some steam and just have some fun and get out there and get wild. Like. Okay, so they've got the really super duper tub, which I'm not going to carry a tub with me, but we can go take a look at it and see. So, how's that sound?